So guys, I was just kicking the football around in my grandma and grandpa's front yard until I spotted this guy. He's go-karting. Hopefully he doesn't see me filming him, because I don't know what could happen to me. But he just keeps on going round and round and round. And it's starting to get annoying. And my uncle says that I should try and ask him if I could ride it. What do you guys think I should do in the comments below? I'm so confused, annoyed, and tired because I'm running so much. Bye guys. Comment below what I should do.